Okay, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to divide a whole number by a fraction. Now that's a completely different thing from dividing a fraction by a whole number. So now let's do the division of a whole number by a fraction so you can see. And here's a perfect example. We have 4. Let's get our pen tool. Here we go. We have 4 divided by 1/3. Now, again, first thing we have to do is we have to transform this whole number into a fraction, because there's no way we can work with a whole number being divided by a fraction. You can't do this straightforward. So you have to convert this whole number into a fraction. And how do you do that? You just simply place the whole number over 1, and that's it. Now let's fix the fraction. So we have 4/1 divided by 1/3. Now, again, our 3-step technique. We keep the first fraction the same. We change our operation from division to multiplication. And we flip 1/3 and it becomes 3/1. So we're going to have 3/1. Now we go right ahead and we multiply straight across. So now equal sign. So 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. This is pretty much the same thing as saying plain old 12. So that's our answer. Pretty straightforward. Okay, let's do another example. Let's erase everything as fast as we can. So remember, the important thing is we have to convert our whole number into a fraction by placing it over 1, right? So for our second example, we're going to say 9 divided by 1/6. 9 divided by 1/6. This 9 is a whole number. We have to transform this whole number into a fraction by placing it over 1. So let's rewrite that. So we have 9/1 divided by 1/6. Next, we move on to our keep, change, flip technique. So we keep 9/1. We change from division to multiplication. Then we flip from 1/6 and it becomes 6/1. Put our equal sign. Then we multiply straight across. 9 times 6, 1 times 1. So now 9 times 6 is equal to 54. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And 54/1 is pretty much the same as saying 54. That's it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. So again, you just have to convert the whole number into a fraction by placing it over 1. Then you move on to the next step, the keep, change, flip step, where you keep the first fraction the same. You change your operation from division to multiplication. Then you flip 1/6, then it becomes 6/1. Flip the last fraction, multiply straight across. Then you get your answer. And that's it. Thank you.